على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. The thing is, the Arabic language is not a language you can only use to communicate with people. It's a language you can use to extract wisdom out of the stories of the prophets and the things of the future. So let's get down and be serious. Okay, الدرس الثامن والعشرون النواع الفعل الماضي والمضارع والأمر. The types of verbs past, present, and imperative. Differences between verbs, nouns, and particles. The Arabic sentence is composed of a number of types of words. A word in Arabic can be a noun, a verb, or a particle. Below are some examples of the different types of words in Arabic. We got the harf, we got the fi'l, we got the ism. Al-ism. Fi, in, yaktubu, writes, he wrote. Yaktubu, he wrote. Yesterday I learned that the past tense has fata, kataba. Yaktubu, he wrote. Okay, Muhammadun ala on yajlisu. This brings us back to when we learned about the what was that? What's I don't remember. So Allah, and then it has the do at the end. Tilmidun. Okay. Uh. So the past tense of yesterday, like the one with end that ends with jalasa, kataba, daraba. That I think that's different kind of fi'l. Okay, this is a verb, number one. This is a past tense of that. All right, al-ismu, a noun. Okay, we have already studied Arabic nouns in previous lessons and learned some of their signs as follows. Al-ismu, al-alamu, al-alamatu, al-jamlatu. Okay, Muhammadun, al-tanwinu, Muhammadun karimun. Muhammadun karimun. Okay, Muhammad is generous. Is generous. Muhammadun is now. الطعام اتصال الكلمة. B. The word prefixed with definite article. This is the article. Oh yeah, definite when it's that's what we're talking about. Definite, and then oh no, close to that. Okay, الطعام لذيذ. فاطمة. التاء المربوطة تكون في الاسم المؤنث. فاطمة كريمة. أوكي التاء المربوطة تكون في الاسم المؤنث. So what this is saying is the tamabuta is at the end of the feminine letters, feminine feminine names. Okay, المذكر المذاكرة مجل حرف الجر فقلبها. مجيء حرف الجر قبلها. So after you put a jar, حرف الجر, which is T. Success lies in study. النجاح هو في المذكر. Okay. Okay. العشاء. So now what is عشاء mean? بسبب بسبب الإضافة. Okay. تناولت طعام العشاء. I had dinner. تناولت طعام العشاء. عشاء is like yeah, isha, night, before night. In the first example, the word Muhammadun is proper noun, name of a person or thing. And the sign on its final letter is the tone of Dhamma on the final letter of the word. In the second example of the word, in the second example, the noun is the word al-ta'amu, and the sign of this is the prefix before the noun. In the third example, the noun is the word Fatimatu, and its sign is the affixed the ta marbuta, ta'u marbutat. Okay, that is attached to the feminine noun. In the fourth example, the noun is al-mudhakaratin, and the sign here is in addition to the prefix. It is in the genitive case. Genitive case means al-mansub, mansub, majrur, and mansub. Okay, majrur, we've got majrur there. Okay, majrur is kasra. So, where am I? As it preceded by the preposition fi, or when you add the preposition, it changes the dhamma at the end. That's what we're looking at up there. But I did not know those were past tense. Like I'm talking about, says, like these ones. This verb becomes past tense here and has a dhamma over there. Fi yak, you can't say fi yaktaba Muhammadin. Oh, it's not connected, is it? Okay, okay, I go up here. Al-fi'l. Okay, verbs have their own signs that distinguish them from nouns. This is what we are going to discuss in this lesson. See the following examples. No al-fi'l. Okay, now type of verb. No al-fi'l. Okay, okay, types of verb. Amrun, madin, mudari'un. So, damiru, pronoun. Nunul, fa'il, type of fa'il, the doer, type of doer. Okay. Katabtu, I wrote. Again. Katabta, katabtu, I wrote. Kataba, he wrote. Yaktubu, he wrote. Yaktubu, he writes. Yaktubu, he writes. Yaktub, that yaktub should be he writes. Huh. Yajlisu, he sat. Okay. Yaktubu, kataba. Jalasa. Jalasa Muhammadu ila fi'l. When you add the preposition ala yajlisu. Okay, okay, so yeah, that's the question that needs to be answered. Inshallah, I'll find out a way to get that answer. Now, it doesn't look like there's any other place I can find. Okay, katabtu aktubu ana. Okay, now you got this here. Okt, oktub, اكتب. Now, right, this is العمر العمر كتبت. You wrote كتبت. You wrote كتب. He wrote يكتب. He writes. That's the thing that I knew, but looks like we've got something up there. So تكتب. أنت تكتب. You write. You write. تكتب. You write. اكتبي. اكتبي. Right. Cut for this feminine. اكتبي. كتبتي. She wrote. تكتبين. تكتبين. You write a lady to a lady. تكتبين. Auntie, you. Now, what do we have here? We have أكتب. We have a مضارع present. ماضٍ past tense. كتبت. I wrote. This is first person. كتبت. You wrote. That's the second person. كتبتي. Second person female. كتب. He wrote. Third person. Okay, now things are slowly getting cleared out. Kataba is third person he wrote. Katabat, third person female, female past tense. Now let's go back up to clear this thing. This is katabatu, okay. Yaktubu, is he right, or yajlisu? This is where I have a problem here. This is a verb, okay. This is yaktubu. Okay, now that is not saying much about it. So yaktubu. Now pay attention to this one. I'll go back down and to find another example. Katabtu is first person. I. Katabata is second person. You. Okay. Katabti is female. You. Okay. Kataba is now third person. Okay. When I'm expecting that to be the number one is kataba, but this is yaktubu. This is like a present tense. Wait, yaktubu. Yaktubu is like he writes. Yajlisu. He sits. Yajlis. 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 He sits. It's kind of like a past tense. We understand that this is the um, the prepositions do make the two dhamma, but I don't know about the past tense. Okay, okay. Inshallah, I think by the time we get down, we might find something. Taktubu, okay. Katabna, naktubu, nahnu. Katabna, we wrote. You see, I told him, naktubu, we write. We are writing. Naktubu. Now, okay, you see, do you see the resemblance? The similarity is between this one and the other one. Pay attention to this. It's naktubu. Take a picture, a snapshot right there. Naktubu. And now I'm going to go up to the first one where I have a problem. Okay. Now this is yaktubu, right? Yaktubu is third person. He. Naktubu is second person. Okay. Naktubu is first person for plural. Okay. So as you can see, this similar, which is naktubu is present tense. That's what I'm thinking is this is a present continuous tense uh, uh, for third person. For third person, maybe it's a typo, maybe it's some new word I'm learning, but I gotta keep that in mind. So I don't want it to to get mixed up with the other ones. Okay, okay, Madin, past, present, yeah, I'm thinking that the first one should be in this category. Okay, Taktubina. Taktubu. Okay, here you have. Oh, yeah, yeah. I got it here. That word up there is right here, but it could probably mean two things then, huh? Now, yaktubu will also may also mean past tense, like he wrote. Kataba, he wrote. Okay, well, just keep the other one still, but we know it may have two meanings. Okay, katabat, taktubu, taktubu. Okay, here. Now, kataba, yaktubani. Oh yeah, I actually got this thing mostly from the Understanding Islamic app. Uh, the young gentleman the Oma land posted on there. You can find it. Okay, so Yektubani Huma katabata tektubani Huma tektubani katabata they wrote katabata huh. Katabu they wrote is that female? Oh, katab it's for female. Katab. Okay, taktubani. They write taktubani. Huma. Al mu'annath. This is for mu'annath. Yeah, yeah. The muthanna, but this is feminine. That's what that means. Uh, uktuba, uktuba, write, uktuba, write. You know, to a couple females. Katabtuma, you wrote. Katabtuma, you wrote. Taktubani, you write. Taktubani. Antuma, mudhakkarun, you masculine. What? Antuma mudhakkarun. Taktubani, but this is over here. Uktuba, katabtuma, taktubani. Antuma mu'annith. What do we see between this one? I honestly think this one is duplicated. So katabna naktubu nahnu. Katabu yaktubuna hum mudhakkaru. Katabu, yeah. Here we go. Yaktubuna hum al mudhakkar. This is hum. It's third person, the plural. Kataban yaktuban katabanna katabunna katabunna yaktubanna. Let's check that one. Katabna. Again, the second time I checked. Katabna. So katabna yaktubna hunna al mu'annath. Okay. Uktubu, write. Katabtum taktubuna. Antum mudhakkar. Okay. Uktubna, katabtunna, taktubna, antunna al mu'annath. Okay. This is unnas for the ladies. So the verb has certain signs through which we are identifying. We can identify it. We can identify and distinguish from the noun. 2. Illustrate. Verbs do not have the signs of nouns we have mentioned above. The tanween, the prefix, the genitive case, inif marbuta. Verbs do not have the signs of nouns we have mentioned above. We already learned that there are three types of verbs: past and present imperative. The imperative has the same formula in English as in Arabic, which distinguishes it from the present and past forms. What? If we look at the table above, we see what is typically called the present verb signs. All present verbs start with one of the following letters. I, yeah, ta, noun. Interesting. See, this is the only thing I need right here. Okay, and again, yangs, and again, yangs. What I'm trying to say here is that the ya again is here. We have it here again. The ya is not past tense. It's like the present verb, the present tense. So it, he wrote is now present. It's past tense, which are called the present form. Okay, letters. A is like for you. This is ya is for he. Ta is for he. Lady for ladies. Na is for us, or something like that. So letters. حروف المضارع. Okay, that is the letters that have to do with the present verb only. A present verb cannot start with any other letters but those for once, except these four. I like this. This is like a good formula. Like the first thing you should probably be deriving after seeing this. You're supposed to be doing the examples of them. Okay, as we are totally gonna do below. Okay, pronoun حروف المضارع الفعل جذر الفعل. Okay, pronoun present verb letters, verb in present tense, verb radicals. نحن we نن نكتب كتب wrote he wrote كتب is to write, and also he كتب is also wrote. Okay, هم هم ي يكتبون يكتبون they write. Okay, كتب to write. Okay, again, do not forget, even though kataba is also a verb hmm, to write, it's also a verb, and it is also a past tense. Okay, ana, according to what we learned yesterday, ana, a, ana, a, aktubu, kataba. Now, times, kataba, antum, taktubuna, kataba. هم يكتبان كتب. Okay, now the present verb is always prefixed with the present form letters حرف المضارع. It is not necessary to be affixed with a letter in case it is affixed with letters like ani, as in atama. Antama taktubani, antum taktubuna, anti taktubina. These letters indicate either the dual, plural, or feminine. If we have another look at the above table in the previous section showing present and past tense verbs, we will see clearly the past tense verb signs, because all past verbs are suffixed and not prefixed with letters. The letter to indicate the pronoun comes after the verb. The pronoun is the doer in the verbal sentence, as in the following examples. Don't worry about all these stuff. Just get it as it is. Okay. Damiru al-fi'lu. Okay. Damiru is pronoun. Okay. Kataba plus ana is katabna. Okay, we kind of already did all that stuff. Katabtu a row, kataba and katabta, kataba all that stuff. Kataba you got kataba here, katabat. Kataba plus hua is katabta. Hua is he, so as we were saying, he wrote, and which again tells us, I can't go all the way up. He wrote, okay. So this one is probably wrong. At this point, I'm decided to say that that is wrong. Okay, if you know, comment below. Comment below. Let me know. If you hear this and you speak Arabic. All right. So I go all the way down here now. Okay, kataba. Okay, kataba here, katabat. So kataba, she wrote. That's what the kataba he plus here is katabat. The sign of the past verb is therefore that it comes either without any letter such as kataba. This is the standard rule. From standard root form we use when we discuss a verb in Arabic, or with suffix pronouns such as ti, ta, tu, as kataba, katabtu, katabate, katabta, katabti. Okay, I already kind of went through katabat, katabti thing. Kind of well versed, I gotta tell you. Although I can't be completely cool. Katabtum, katabtun. Okay. All right. I'll have. The third part of speech in Arabic mentioned above is the particle. The meaning of a particle is often understood in the context of the stance, sentence, and words before and after the particle. The sign of the particle is that it does not accept the signs of nouns or verbs. Every Arabic word that does not have the signs of either nouns or verbs in part is a particle. Every Arabic word that does not have the signs of either nouns or verb is a particle. Yeah, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Prepositions are examples of particles. There are many prepositions in Arabic. Some examples of particle are below. Below. Okay. حروف جر. حروف جر. Now, as you can see, this is harf because this cannot be a name. Wa. Fa except for itself. Fa, aw, thumma. What if someone has a name named Thumma? Okay. Hal, ah. All right. These the hal, ah. Okay. All right. We're done with those. Interrogative particles. This is like as I was actually I knew this here the interrogative thing. This is like the guy he said yesterday that I was listening to the TED Talk. He was saying that this is like a tool that you always need to have with you. If you're learning a language, the tool is the language. The tool is the question interrogative uh, the question how to ask questions. Okay, which is the interrogative particles. Um, so once you have that, you can just what is this? What is that? And then you learn. That's like a tool. The first thing you should probably learn is how to ask questions. So vo, va, vocative particle. Okay, vocative. Okay. So يعني I am done. حرف نداء. I am done with this. So inshallah, may Allah bless us.